In primetime news this evening, new twist in Integrity Commission report.
Opposition says Ministry of Health should also be accountable for ambulance mishap at Sangster International Airport.
And later, price of produce starting to trend downwards. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andreascosa Group Jamaica is reporting improvements in their profit for the third quarter, and they're also bringing to the local market some international payment options. I'll have those details later on, and an update on the paymaster suspension that took place earlier this year.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan Fort has a preview of Primetime Sports.
Well, there is a dream partnership pending between one of Jamaica's most popular local football clubs and an entertainment group. I'll give you more details in Primetime Sports Monday, as well as, of course, the Reggae Boys preparing to face Honduras tomorrow away, looking for a better result than they had at home on Friday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast, but let's get a preview of what's coming up in the weather. Romaine Robinson?
Thanks, Andrea. Now, there's a weak tropical wave in the center of the basin that we are expecting should be passing through the area tomorrow, should be adding some showers and a few thunderstorms to the forecast, especially across sections of the west.
And Romaine will have the details later on, but before the break, the feedback question.
Interesting question, Archie. It is, what has been your most recent experience shopping for fruits and vegetables?
Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at tvjnews center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.